Welcome to the show, Kairavi. It's so good to see you back here in Dubai.
Thank you so much.
So, Kairavi, tell me, how does it feel to be back here? You've already celebrated Navratri in Dubai before, and you're back here again to do the same.
Well, this is my third year here, and every time I have come here, the show has been always houseful. This time I'm performing in an indoors AC dome stadium, and so I'm really excited because both the times I was here it was really hot, but this time the condition is very nice, and the people here are so full of excitement, and they are so much music lovers that every year once I go from here I want to come here back again and again.
Tell me, Kairavi, what excites you about Navratri the most?
I think the fact that so many people get together and dance in a cultural celebration is the fact that amazes me a lot, because we have seen discotheques and dance and pub and those kind of dances, but something that is rooted so spiritually and is completely based on our religion and our culture. That kind of thing which makes people dance, come together in such large numbers, is the fact that amazes me a lot. So to the kids and to the singers of today's generation, do some commercial work, but make your bass, your music very powerful. Maybe the success is delayed, but it will stay with you for a very long time.
Tell me, carrying the title of Garba Queen, it must be so special, but does it come with any pressure?
Well, Garba Queen, they also call me Koyaldi. It's like roughly translated in English, it is Nightingale. So it is it's a pressure that comes, but also it's an immense sense of pride, because these all titles have been given out of love, and so I gracefully accept them, and with a lot of reverence. Thank you so much to my audiences.
So tell me, is Dr. Kairavi still practicing medicine, or are you totally into music now?
Well, I am a dentist, and I also have my clinic back in Gujarat. But I think that would be my passion, and this is my profession. So both of them are still active.
So if you had to name one thing in your musical journey that you cherish the most, what would it be?
Connecting to the people, being a part of their daily lives is something that I think I am really deeply grateful for, because the kind of songs I sing, there are a lot of people who come to me and say that once in a day we definitely hear your songs, or my morning begins with your songs. So people have given me a place in their hearts and in their daily lives, and that is something that I never fails to amaze me.
Are there any folk musicians or performers whose artistry deeply inspires you?
Yes, definitely there have been legends in Indian music. I am deeply inspired by Shreya Ghoshal ji. The way she sings, the way she carries herself, I think she embodies Ma Saraswati, and I really look up to her.
Okay, tell us something about your association with Divine Events and what makes it special.
Well, I have been with Divine Entertainment since last 3 years. Vyapti ji and Prashant ji have called me since 3 years here, and the way the event is organized flawlessly, the people come here. Music is definitely a part of the event, but over and above that, other facilities like parking, the venue, the food, the ambience, the sound, I think Divine Entertainment has really taken care and effort into making the entire experience a very special one.
Okay, finally we won't let you go without you singing a few lines for our ZTV audience.
Hindi ke Gujarati?
Anything.
Anything? जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल, माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई, जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल, माई तेरी चूनरिया लहराई हो।
Nice. Thank you so much, Kairavi. Thank you very much for talking to us. It's been
Thank
lovely.
you so much. Thank you, Z, for having us. And always Z has supported us a lot. Keep supporting, keep spreading the love.